Hi, welcome to Microsoft Power Tools channel where I teach everything analytics and automation. Sometimes I teach about productivity in the workplace, of which Microsoft PowerPoint is one of them. In this video, I'm going to give you tips to making great designs with PowerPoint, and I will start by showing you examples of different graphics work that I've done using PowerPoint. Right, what you can see here is a product of PowerPoint. Right, I'm just going to keep showing you what I've been able to design, build with Microsoft PowerPoint. Like you can see, this is more of an infographics, and if I zoom, still of high resolution and serves its purpose. And also this, my former YouTube channel logo and name. Right, let's go there. Let me show you further what are the tips that will help you to make your own great designs as well. Tip number one, it's all about slide size. It's all about your design dimension. From different images I've shown you, you can see that there are different dimensions. It's not a must. You might want your own design to be in the circle format, in square, in rectangle, but you must know the dimension. When you don't know the dimension, it affects the quality of your design. The logos and everything I've designed over time, when you zoom in, you see a very high quality work. How do I achieve that? It's because I understand how to convert my pixel requirement into PowerPoint inches in slide size. I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so let's have a new PowerPoint slide. And this, I'm going to go to design, slide size. From here you see standard and widescreen. These are the two major slide size that we have in the standard format. But you come to custom design. You see the width and the height. They are all in inches. But what you might need most of the time for your image needs is if you have a particular requirement, that should be in pixel. So from here you can see the values that you can enter a value from 1 to 56. That's the maximum that this can take. And the height is also 1 to 56. If you convert your pixel requirement to inches, that is how you get to understand, okay, what should it be in inches. However, you can easily do, maybe I need an image of maybe 2000 pixel by 1800, let's say. So all I'm just going to do is right here I'm going to type 2000 and I'm going to put px. When I'm moving, automatically to convert it to the equivalence in inches to maybe 1800 px. Yeah, it has converted it. So I click OK. Is either you maximize or you fit. When you are doing ensure fit, that affects depending on the design you already have. But in this case, you don't have anything on the slide, it's blank. So it's okay to choose any of this. So this is the slide size that I have after my side. After declaring what my size should be. That's the first thing, and it's going to go a long way when you export any design that you have made with this dimension. You see it's quite different from what you have before in the template. Tip number 2 that I have here with me is icons. For your design to come out great, you need great icons. Icons that you can modify, you can change their color easily, that are transparent, that also matches the idea you are trying to push with your design or logo. There are 2 or 3 different ways to achieve these things, and Office 365 has made it really easy. One way is there is under insert, there's now icons, and these give you access to pool of icons. You can see several icons that I can use in my design. When I click on Apple and I say insert, I have the Apple icon here, which I can change the color to whatsoever I want it to be, and the color will keep changing, so matches whatsoever your design is. Do you get that now? That's number 1. Number 2 is you can also go to this website to pick icons, PNG tree. I love the way they illustrate some of their icons, and I often choose it in some of my designs. However, if you don't have the premium license, then you only have access to 2 downloads in a day. So in 24 hours, you can download 2 PNG icons. For me, I even have a folder that anytime I'm free, I often download them as much as I want. Like in a day now, I download 2. I'll keep, because one day I might need them for design. So once you register with them, then you can search here. Let's take, for example, data center. Looking for data center. You'll be surprised because it's going to show some, see the level of illustrated icons that we have here. It's infographics so that it helps your work to come out better. All right. Then the third way is there are add-ons. So when you come to add, just come to add-ons. Okay, come to store. Then one of the add-ons that helps you, maybe not with icon, the NAM project can also help you with icon, but I would suggest you also get Pexel. Pexel is a repository for images. It's open source. So you don't need to go to the Pexel website. When you have this and you agree, of course you must have internet access. So what that then means is when you are designing something, you don't need to go to the website. You see, it has been added to my insert menu, and I say got it. When I need an image, when I just click there, I can search within PowerPoint, insert whatsoever image that I need right here. Search for photo. Let's say I need Africa. When I click on search, it's going to bring out pictures that I can easily use. And I click on this guy, it will insert it on my design. Right away, you already have images that you want to use. That is another tip too. That solves your icon needs. Of course, if you have any other website that you often get icons from, they are not left out. You can still keep using them. The next tip I have is simplicity. Please, you have to keep your design and make it very simple. I often advise people to use backgrounds that will make colors, that will make your design to come out. And one of them is come to design, format background. Then I often use this guy here. Looks like white, but not white. A lot of things, you can even see it on my template. It brings out your designs. So it's going to help you and go a long way. So if you want to use that, you can play alongside. You can also play with several of these designs. So make sure that your work is really simple. Fourth is color psychology. Know how to combine colors together. Remember that you are not using CorelDRAW here. You are trying to use PowerPoint to do more than what you can do before, and you have to keep to color psychology. You can't mix. There's a way you can mix colors, gradient or different form, but come on, if you can put one or two things together, like you can see in my designs here, you can almost tell what colors are there. Simple but straight to the point. Those are the kind of, and high quality, those are the kind of you see high quality. Even after zooming, you see them still sharp and strong. Those are the kind of design that you can also make with PowerPoint. I'm looking forward to seeing you doing something even more crazy than what you can see here. Of course, there are so many things. The intro video for this particular video that you are consuming, training tutorial now, was also made in PowerPoint. Of course, I'm going to create time to also teach on how to do that. But in the next video, I'm going to now teach you how to make my formal logo, which is what I have there. How do I even create this in PowerPoint? We're going to do that together. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to get a lot and you don't want to miss out those things I'm teaching here. And make sure you click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you're going to get the notification on your phone, and it will be easier for you to join. Right. Thank you, and see you in the next video.